Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all my students. So, welcome back to our PDPR class or session. So, I hope all of you are doing fine at home. So, don't play around, okay? Even though you are in Form 4, you need to prepare for your SPM next year. So, the road to SPM starts from now, not next year. Okay. Since all of you look fresh today. Okay, we are going to move on to a new topic. Topic number 5, globetrotting or travel around the world. Okay, so can you please turn to page 67 of your textbook. So here are a few questions for discussion. I hope you can write short answers to these questions on page 67. You can see a picture here. Okay, a backpacker, okay, is reading a map, okay, and he's looking at the mountain, okay, in front of him. So here are the 4 questions that you need to answer, and please write your answers in your text, in your notebook. Okay, I'm sorry. Question number 1, do you like traveling? Okay, yes or no? Adakah awak suka mengembara? Okay, question 2, what places would you most like to travel to in the world? Why? Kenapa? Tempat manakah anda mahu pergi dan kenapa? Okay. And number 3, what do you think the holidays below involve? Apa yang kamu fikir tentang jenis percutian di bawah? So the first one we have cruise. Okay. This means a cruise involves spending a lot of time on a ship. Yeah. Pelayaran. Yeah. Menaiki kapal laut. Okay, number 2, coach tour. A coach tour involves spending a lot of time on the road, traveling by coach or bus, express bus, from one place to another, stopping at various sites on the way. Okay, pelancongan mengembara dengan menaiki bas. Okay, number 3, holiday by the seaside. A holiday by the seaside usually involves spending a lot of time doing various water sports, sukan air, or seaside activities. Activity pantai. Okay, next one. A guided city tour involves touring, mengembara, the city with a guide on a bus. Okay, tourist guide, pemandu pelancong. Okay, on a bus, coach, bike, or on foot. The aim is to see the most important local attractions or sites in the city. Next one, backpacking holiday. A backpacking holiday involves walking or hiking long distances, jarak jauh, with a backpack on your back, dengan beg besar di beg galas di belakang. Okay, next one, a safari. A safari involves traveling in areas that are rich in wildlife. Mengembara di tempat yang banyak haiwan liar, like in Africa. Next one, skiing holiday. A skiing holiday usually involves staying at a resort which has been developed for skiing and other winter sports, or in a town or village that is in a ski area. Percutian di kawasan pegunungan musim sejuk. Okay, next one, working holiday. A working holiday is a holiday during which you work. Percutian sambil bekerja. It usually involves doing volunteer work, membuat kerja sukarela, to benefit a local community or help save the environment. Okay. Question number 4. Which one would you most like to go on and why? Jenis percutian manakah yang anda mahu pergi dan kenapa? Okay, so make sure you answer all these 4 short questions in your notebook. Okay, next one. Okay, we scroll down to page 68. On page 68, okay, you are going to read a text. Okay, before you read the text, okay, here are 2 questions for discussion. Look at the question on your top left hand corner, where the question is, do you enjoy walking? Why not? Adakah anda suka berjalan kaki? Kenapa? Or kenapa tidak? Number 2, what's the furthest you have ever walked? Kemanakah yang kamu paling jauh pernah berjalan kaki? What was it like? Apakah perasaan anda? Apakah keadaan anda selepas itu? Okay, did you feel tired? Did you enjoy it? Do you want to make it one more time? Okay. Okay, next we move on to B. Read the text quickly and choose the best title, A, B, or C. So you need to read the text quickly here and then decide on the title, the best title, A, B, or C. Okay, and I give you the answer. The answer is C. Walking the Amazon, the incredible story of Ed Stafford. Okay, Ed Stafford is an British explorer who walked, okay, along the Amazon in Brazil. Okay, so he took the challenge and walked continuously for 860 days. Okay, more than 2 years. Okay, then okay, we move on further down to page 69. Okay, page 69, part C here. Read again and answer the questions. Choose A, B, or C, or D. A, B, C, or D. Okay, there are 5 objective questions. Question number 1. Okay, question number 1. Okay, when Stafford said that he was going to walk the Amazon, people thought that the answer is B. Okay, he would die if he tried to do it. Dia mungkin akan mati jika dia melakukannya. Okay, so please answer the rest of the questions. Okay, next one. Task D. For task D, you need to add a few more words to each category. Okay, so here you need to find words in the text to complete the table below. Cari perkataan dalam petikan untuk memenuhkan jadual di bawah. Okay, so you can find the words in the text itself. Okay, let's do the first one together. Geographical feature, ciri-ciri geografi. First, okay, the example given is river, bentuk geografi. Okay, I give you another answer, sea, laut. Okay, next one, water creatures, haiwan air. Okay, the example given is crocodile. Another answer is piranha, fish, ikan piranha. Next one, land animals, haiwan darat. The example given is snake. I give you another one, jaguar. Jaguar, a kind of tiger, jaguar. Okay. Next one, bugs. Bugs mean insect, serangga. The first example is fly. Another answer is mosquito. Okay, so please fill in these tables by finding words in the text to complete, okay, the tables given. Okay, clear? Okay, task E, we just ignore it. We skip this one. We go straight to the vocabulary part. Okay, on page 70, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's take a look at task A. Okay, task A vocabulary. Complete the table with nouns that refer to people. use the words in the box and a suitable prefix. Make any necessary changes. Okay. Okay. The first suffix is er. So you can form another nouns by adding er. Okay. So you take the base form or the root verb is travel. So travel plus er becomes traveler. The second one, or. The suffix is or. So it becomes visitor, pelawat. And the third example, ist, receptionist. Receptionist, penyambut tetamu. So please, okay, complete the table with nouns that refer to people. Okay. Okay, any questions? Next one. B. Complete the sentences with the correct forms of the words in the boxes. Isikan tempat kosong dengan perkataan yang betul yang telah ditandakan dengan warna pink. Okay, number one. B. Number one. The journey. Okay, the journey from London to Glasgow by car takes about 7 hours, the journey. Okay, so please do the rest of the question from number 1 to number 18. So by doing this exercise, you can improve your vocabulary, perbendaraan kata. Okay, last but not least, task C. Okay, before that, okay, look at the notes on your right. A compound noun is a combination of two nouns that function as one word. Okay. Kata nama compound adalah kombinasi dua kata nama yang berfungsi sebagai satu kataan sahaja. The first noun defines the second noun. Noun yang pertama menetapkan noun yang kedua. For example, bus stop. A stop for buses. Perhentian bus. Okay, back to task C. Read the notes. Look at the text on page 68. Tengok kepada teks di muka surat 68 and find compound nouns. Can you think of any more? Okay, so this one we skip. We just go straight to the second instructions here. Okay, now match the nouns on the left with the nouns on the right to form as many compound nouns as you can. So you need to match the nouns on your left with the nouns on your right. Okay, we do question 1. Number 1 together. Okay, forest reserve. Number 1, you match it with D. Forest reserve, hutan simpan. Okay, then please do the rest of the exercise. Okay, I wish you all the best till we meet again in the next YouTube clip. All the best. Okay, and make sure you do your homework. Till then, have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.